Rob Van Raphorst. Welcome to MBANow. One of the bigger topics in our industry recently has been FHA's mortgage insurance premium, or the MIP, and whether or not it needs to be reduced. Here to discuss it with me is MBA's President and CEO, Bob Broeksmit. Bob, thanks for being here.
Sure, Rob. Good to be with you.
So, Bob, where does MBA stand on reducing the MIP?
Rob, we think it's time to reduce the mortgage insurance premium for FHA borrowers. And in fact, when FHA came out with its Mutual Mortgage Insurance Fund actuarial report in November, we called on them to reduce the MIP. And in several meetings subsequent to that, we have reiterated that call. So we think the time to act is now.
Now, there are three components to the MIP, the upfront, annual, and life of loan. Which part do we think should be reduced?
We're really interested in a reduction in the annual premium because that is the part of the equation that really affects how borrowers qualify for FHA loans. So if we get a meaningful reduction in the annual premium, we think we can get a lot more first-time home buyers into homes through the FHA program. So that's what we're focused on.
I know that FHA has been mindful of the many borrowers that went into COVID-related forbearance. Do you think that has any bearing on any type of announcement?
Well, when we spoke to Secretary Fudge directly about this at a recent conference, she did express some concern about how the FHA borrowers who are in forbearance would work out. But since then, we've had an awful lot of really good exits from forbearance among FHA borrowers. We're down to a few 100,000 FHA borrowers still in forbearance. And 82% of those who've exited forbearance are performing on the modified loans. So we think that it's time. There's enough evidence of how things will work out, and the Mutual Mortgage Insurance Fund is at such an elevated level that the time to act is now.
Yeah, according to our latest forbearance and call volume survey, the numbers just show that so many people have exited and things are performing well. So as you say, the time to cut is upon us. Bob, thanks so much for joining us. Really appreciate it.
All right, Rob, thanks for having me.